everyone, what's up? It's a good while in the afternoon now. Our fridge stopped working yesterday and I restarted it thinking it was going to start working again because it usually does, but it's completely broke now. So I have to go down to the electrical store and see if there's any good, cheap enough fridge freezers. Because this one was an old fridge that her sister gave us. Her ma originally owned it. She says it was about over 12 years old now, so it's lasted us a good while. And we were grateful for it, but now we have to dig out the pockets and get a brand new one or a second-hand one to help us. Because we got food yesterday and the fridge is completely melted now, so I have to go out immediately and get a new fridge. If I have the money. Hopefully it's cheap enough. I'll update you on that when we get a new one. See you later.
What's up guys, we're down Strand Electrics. We need to get a new fridge freezer. Ours literally just shit the bed. And if you don't know what that means, it means it's completely broke. Check the freezer size. You need a big one? No.
You like the new one then?
Yeah. That's a freezer? 6-shelf freezer?
Yeah, because we just need a freezer though.
No, I don't like inside that one. Orange shape.
Yeah, cut.
Like that one.
That's such a good.
I like that one.
It's too small on the bottom.
So we're just having a wee argument of which we like and which we don't like. We're gonna go in the shop now and ask. Hiya. Does that one have to be built in or anything? One and a half, one and a half. Right guys, so we're getting this white one here in front. £145. So we're getting a wee bargain. It's a second hand, but it's in good condition. It just needs a wee wash down. So that should do us for a good 6 years, he says. He says there's no guarantee because it's second hand, but he does reckon it'll last long.
That one was 30 years old.
30 years? I thought it was 20.
30.
Where is my brightness? It's barely. So my granddad's saying the fridge that we actually have in the house is 30 years old.
How about your mummy for a wedding present?
So it was bound to be done soon. Break. What's he doing? Manny's on the phone to somebody. Looks like he's talking business.
What is standing around for?
I don't know. What were you saying to Melanie?
Just driving in my car and not a kiss it.
He was making Melanie laugh.
She gets fed up on her own.
Aye. She gets annoyed in the back seat.
Why is he walking around around?
I don't know. The guy says we're gonna get that air delivered for free because we're in Cairn Hill and because Granda always goes into him. So we're getting it for free, but he says it'll be tomorrow, so we have to throw every last bit of our freezer food away, which is really sad because we spent about £80 on it yesterday. But it's to be done because it's lying there now over 24 hours and the water's just seeping out and all the meat's away mushy. So there's nothing we can do really. Guys, so where we bought the fridge is called Strand Electrics. And where's it located again?
Pennyburn Industrial Estate.
It's in Pennyburn Industrial Estate and it has really good stuff inside there. Let's see if I can zoom into what it has. Cookers, fridges, heaters, hardware, washing machines, TV and video, built-in appliances and vacuum cleaners. So we walked through a few stuff as you've seen and everything in there's Brilliant, Granda, you always go in there. The Granda would get nearly every appliance on there. Electrical appliance. So, Strand Electrics, guys. So, Granda bought Melanie some stuff from Home Bargains. Wow, Mel.
Your pens.
A little bit of potential. It's a hard filly to get a handle on in ratings terms, but I think she has shown glimmers.
Yeah.
She runs in David Scott's familiar colours, of course, doesn't she? But the news is Shambra is very much full of herself and
Put it in the ground, you see.
concerns with herself.
Here, sit down now.
Yeah, she should be bouncing actually.
Woohoo!
Definitely over 10 furlongs in terms of like 2 furlongs to 1.5
Good girl.
The favourite 3 is strong, solid, flip-flop and free.
She loves pens.
Here, let's see these like. Here, love.
Cool music for Tony's written a winner of Beverly last time out. She's in 9-1 from 8, just printing out a point. Philadelphia at 12-1 for Patrick Holmes and Pauline Nichols at 7.
Say thank you, Papa.
He's got Kennedy in there, which looks like 9-4.
So Manny's way back to the flat. It has to wait for Mover Brothers. They come deliver the fridge. It's going to cost £20. And then we're going to put the old fridge outside, out the back. And then when I get home I'm going to give the new fridge a good clean. We can't put any food in it for 4 hours, so our food is definitely gone to waste, unfortunately. Melanie, what does Daddy get you? Or no? What Granda get you?
You've got to get up there and get out there. Anyway, thanks for being
Is one of these like this?
Do you want a drink, Mel?
The 99s,
all 99 delivering them. Oh, now, the timing is bad, Graham. Let's get back to this race. I know we're killing time, you know what we do. Our members know that we're just wasting time, don't they?
Why would you get these from Bargains?
yeah, she was a very impressive one last time, wasn't she? And that run came from someone out of the blue, but we mustn't rule out the fact that even fillies that do look relatively exposed, 3-year-olds at this time of year, with a bit of sun on the back, can improve markedly. And she needs to prove that she can back up that performance. She's under a £6 penalty here, but she's due to go up another £6 on top of that shortly, so she's still effectively £6 well in. If she turns up in that kind of form, she'll take the world of it. Did he not start his career over 5?
What Papa get you?
He did a race at Liverpool when they
Is that nice?
Absolutely, and then won 3 Grand Nationals when he was big in the prime of life back then.
Nice?
Right there, oh dear. When he won his first one, that would have been 2, I think, yeah.
I'm sure he'd have been older than that.
Really?
Must have been.
Yeah, I thought in 1970.
The years have not been kind to you then.
No, grey hair, marriage and...
Right guys, I had a like massive nap, stood up Manny. Now I had her dinner and all, and we're just gonna get ready to go. Time's 9:15. So we're gonna get ready to go now. Oh, we're home. We packaged, guys. I'm gonna open this, and I'll show you what I got in a minute. There's it in. Hopefully it doesn't fall out this time. I keep losing the balls, but I paid more for this one, so hopefully it stays in. Right guys, what do you see? Our new freezer. Way. And we have an empty freezer because we have to buy new stuff now because the other stuff was all spoilt.
Right guys, that's the end of the vlog. Jess is just folding the rest of the remaining clothes that we have in the bed. Melanie's tea is already boiled. Just waiting for it to cool down now and then we put her to bed. Trying to have an early-ish one tonight. And we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching the vlog. And we're so happy we got a new fridge now. It didn't cost us that much. It cost us 140. Jess paid 50 and I paid the rest. So it was a good deal between us. We're quite happy with it. It's really bigger than the one we have. So tomorrow we just have to shop for all our frozen stuff. Quite happy with that. So thank you for watching today. And we will see you later. Bye bye.